What's up? It's Thandi here from TechConnect, and I have exciting news for our potential clients and anyone that we have actually performed the line of sight for, or if you are yet to actually think about us and consider us, and the installation fee has been the habit that is keeping you away from joining the TechConnect family. Well, I bring a solution today. Most of the time when we perform line of sights for our clients do mention that little bit of doubt that comes from the installation fee. We understand that our installation fee might be a little steep for some users. We are bringing to you guys, introducing, drumroll please, LayBuy program. So the LayBuy program means and is that you'll be able to put your installation fee into little portions or break it up into little portions, and you can pay it over a certain period of time depending on your duration that you choose for yourself. Yes, you heard that right. You are in charge of your duration. So now you can enjoy, at the end of the day, at the end of everything, our Wi-Fi without having to break the bank for it. So you can still handle your month-to-month expenses without having to break the bank. You have the freedom to choose how much you're going to put away with us for your installation on a monthly basis. And you can also choose how long you are going to put this money away. So it can range from 3 months, 2 months, up to a year even. So imagine that. So with the LayBuy program, unfortunately, you'll only be receiving your installation at the end of your LayBuy period. So as soon as you've hit that 2,500 mark, then we will be installing your equipment, but you will still reach and receive the benefits that the others receive that pay upfront. So you still enjoy every little aspect and every little spec of this without having to break the bank, meaning that you will still get the time to actually enjoy your internet from the day of installation up to the end of the month without having to actually pay, meaning that you only start paying at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month for the month that you are going to use. And still, you will be receiving the specs of the promotion where you'll be receiving a free mini UPS. So what excuse do you have now other than to join us? Join a situation come forward where you need to withdraw your money or you have to cancel your LayBuy. We will give your money to you. But unfortunately, we will be keeping a 450 handling fee. This is for our bank charges. So we will be taking 450 from that, but the rest of your money will be paid back into your bank account. No questions asked. You join us today, sign up below and visit ineedinternet.co.za to find out more and to kill all myths that our internet service providers tend to fill us with. Enjoy TechConnect and welcome to a family that is loving, that cares about you and wants only the best for you and your loved ones.